Hello, in this video I'm going to show you some typical end of financial year processes in Sybiz Vision. This is an overview looking at best practices for reporting, roles, periods, starting a new year, and budgets. Before we look at the software, I'm going to run through the typical process for end of year. If you're not doing so already, it's important to reconcile on a monthly basis. This means that when you get to the end of financial year, you only have the 1 month to reconcile. Ensure all data entry has been completed to the best of your ability. Run your reports, look at them and make any required corrections. Rerun your reports and then back up your data before rolling into the new year. If this is all happening on a monthly basis, your end of financial year will be a lot easier. We'll start with reporting and report sets. We've created a report set here for end of year with some typical reports run from various ledgers such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and job summary. You're able to edit the report parameters choosing different accounts, departments, and currencies. So we'll set this one for end of financial year, New Zealand. Now, while I run this report set, a couple of the benefits of having report sets set up is that all of the included reports are run together as one, so there's no need to go to each ledger and run individual reports. It also only generates the one file, so you can see here I've got my profit and loss statement, balance sheets, and all of the reports included in the one PDF. Now I'm able to export these or email them directly. You're able to run reports separately if you prefer, using Business Intelligence Center or from the reports section. Because Sybiz Vision is date-based rather than period-based, you're able to run custom-dated reports across multiple time periods, such as 1.5 financial years, calendar years, or more. You're also able to run reports regardless of whether you have finished your transaction processing for the period. We can look at the periods that are set up via the Period Maintenance menu under the General Ledger tab in the ribbon bar. Here you can see the previous 3 financial years for this particular company based on Australian dates. You're able to have up to 3 financial years open for transactions at any one time, and you have the ability to restrict who can process transactions in these years or months by using the roles function. Currently, everyone is allowed to process transactions in the month of February 2017. However, if you want to restrict this, you can select a specific role, multiple roles, or create a new role for this purpose. This can also be useful if you want to allow access to the new financial year. For example, if you want to grant certain people non-financial access to enter in quotes to be processed in the following financial year or other scenarios. To create a new financial year, simply go to the Utilities menu in the General Ledger tab and select Create New Financial Year. A warning will be visible if you still have financial years open for processing. Now we'll take a look at budgets for the new year. The budget options can be found under the Utilities drop-down in the General Ledger tab. You're able to allocate budgets to individual projects or to the company as a whole. In this example, we'll run through a company budget. However, the process is similar for both. Select Budget Export to open the wizard. Enter your file name and location, or select one from the ellipses menu. Choose your source data. Source year, and the target year for your budget. In this scenario, I'm going to export the budget from the current year, review the figures, and import the updated data into Sybiz Vision for the new financial year. You can now filter accounts. By default, all are selected, but I want to look at my profit and loss budget specifically, so I'm only going to check cost of sales, expenses, and sales. Complete the wizard to export your data. Now we have our data in Excel with minimal formatting. This is so that you're able to import it back into Sybiz Vision easily. You can now review and update your figures for the year ahead using regular Excel functionality such as formulas. When you're happy with your figures, you can import the data back into Sybiz Vision. Select Budget Import, locate your file name, and select the year which you wish to apply the budget to. Keep track of your budget at any time throughout the year by running the budget report from the Reports menu. If you require specific assistance with your end of financial year processing, please contact your Sybiz authorised business partner. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing Sybiz.